How to remove black bars 16:9 full screen tutorial. So if you want to remove the black bars from 16:9 full screen, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application, and after that go with edit, go with a new project, and then select your project which has 16:9, or you can also just simply go with any option that any video that you're comfortable with. And after that here select the video, and then on the bottom you will have the aspect ratio. Just swipe and then go with your aspect ratio, tap on aspect, and then select 16:9. Once you've selected, now if you have the black colored bars on the left and right, then you can either enlarge it, zoom that, and that's it. You can either zoom, or you can also just zoom out, and you can also add the background. You can go with the blur background. Here on the bottom right you will have the background option. Go with background, and then you can go with blur and select the blur background. That's it. That's how you can remove black bars or 16:9 full screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.